What is couple? In physics, we sometimes confuse between couple and torque. Today, we will discuss what is couple and how it differs from torque, or whether couple and torque are same. A pair of equal and opposite forces with different lines of action is known as a couple or torque. So in couple you have two opposite forces, equal and opposite forces with different lines of action. You should remember this. The two opposite forces have different lines of action. And a couple produces rotation without translation. For example, when we open the lid of a bottle by turning it, our fingers are applying a couple to the lid. You see in this experiment, when we open the lid, we apply a force here and also apply a force here. And here the force is in this direction, and here the force is in this direction. The two forces here and here are in opposite direction. You see, I am applying force in opposite direction. Then you will get a couple. And the line of action of force is also different. Here you are applying a force in this direction, in this line, and here you are applying a force in this line. So you apply a couple and you open the lid of the bottle like this. So similarly, when you close the lid like this, you apply equal and opposite forces here and here like this. And you should remember that the rotational equilibrium condition is independent of the location of the origin about which the torques are taken. Suppose you take the torque about this point or about this point. That means the torque which is produced due to these two forces is independent of origin. Whether you take the origin here or you take the origin here. But the torque or couple depends upon the perpendicular distance between the two forces. That means if you apply a force here in this direction and you apply a force here in this direction, and this is the perpendicular distance between the two forces, so the torque or the couple depend upon this perpendicular distance. Now we will prove how the torque or couple depends upon the perpendicular distance between the two opposite forces. So now we will prove how the moment of a couple does not depend upon the point about which you take the moments. Consider a couple acting on a rigid body. As we have performed the experiment, suppose the couple acts on this rigid body. One force here and another force here. Suppose the force at B is F and force at A is minus F. And the position vector of A is R1 and the position vector of B is R2. And we want to find out the moment of the couple about this point O. Suppose you want to take the moment of the moments of the forces about this origin O. So what will be the moment of the couple? The moment of the couple will be equal to the sum of moments of the two forces. That is moment due to this force and the moment due to this force. And you know moment means the cross product of force and this distance, position vector. So moment due to the force minus F will be equal to minus F cross R1, and moment due to the force F will be equal to F cross R2. So what will be the moment of this couple? Moment of the couple will be equal to R1 cross minus F plus R2 cross F, and that will be equal to R1 minus R2 into F. But by vector diagram, R1 minus R2 will be equal to FB. So it will be equal to FB cross F. So you see moment of couple will be equal to the perpendicular distance FB with the cross product of either force, either this force or this force. So this clearly proves that moment of couple does not depend upon the point about which you take the moments, whether you take the moment from here or here or here, because moment of couple depend upon either force and the perpendicular distance between the two forces. So this is the difference between torque and couple. In torque, you take the cross product of force and the perpendicular distance between the application of force and the axis of rotation. Suppose the body rotates from here, so you take the cross product of force and the perpendicular distance from the application of force to the axis of rotation, if the axis of rotation is this point. But in case of couple, you take the cross product of either force and the perpendicular distance between the two forces. So in case of couple, if you take the couple of this rigid body, then you take either force here and force here, and the perpendicular distance between the two forces, like this. So in our next video, we will discuss how couple acts in the rotation of a magnetic needle, how magnetic needle rotates, how couple is responsible for the rotation of magnetic needle. Thank you.